Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Ngayon pag-uusapan natin about solar PV system. So, i-define muna natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng solar. The name solar is derived from the Latin word solaris, meaning of the sun or relating to the sun. So, yung salitang solar, may kinalaman ito sa araw. So, yung solar energy natin, the energy coming from the sun, meron tayong dalawang energy na pwedeng makuha sa solar. We have the heat energy and the light energy. So, dalawa yung pwede nating possible na makuha na energy coming from the sun. So, kung ganon, maaari tayong makakapag-develop ng dalawang system o solar technology system gamit ang energy na galing sa araw. So, yung una, tinatawag nating solar thermal system, ibig sabihin, hinaharvest natin o ginagamit natin yung heat energy na nakukuha natin sa araw. While the another one is the solar photovoltaic system. Ito naman, hinaharness natin yung energy o the light energy galing sa araw. So, solar thermal, kung hinaharness natin yung heat energy coming from the sun, at solar photovoltaic naman kung hinaharness natin yung light energy coming from the sun. So what is solar PV system? So solar PV system is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. Meaning, yung light energy, kino-convert natin para maging electrical energy. So this process of converting sunlight to electricity is called the photovoltaic effect or the PV system. So, ngayon pag-usapan natin about the advantages of PV system. So, una, this is a renewable energy, meaning the solar energy comes from the sun, which is abundant and will not run out. Hindi ito basta-basta mauubos at ito ay very abundant, no? So, once na ginamit natin, mare-replenish agad, no? So, next is environmentally friendly ang ating PV system or solar PV system. Kasi yung ating carbon footprint ay mababa and no air pollution ang PV system, no? Hindi siya katulad ng mga fossil fuels natin na mataas yung air pollution na binibigay niya at saka yung carbon footprint. Dito, mababa yung ating carbon footprint. And it reduces electricity bills, no? That is, it can generate free electricity once installed, no? So, pag na-convert na natin yung light energy into electricity, so there is a possibility na ma-reduce o maging zero ang ating electricity bills. So, protect against rising energy costs. So, alam naman natin na pabago-bago ang presyo, pataas ng pataas, yung ating electricity cost, no? Lalo na galing to sa ating mga distribution utility. Pag sinabi nila tataas ng piso per kilowatt hour, so wala na tayong magagawa doon. Samantalang, if we're using the solar PV system, so at least protektado tayo doon sa rising energy o sa pagtaas ng ating energy cost. It is also sellable or saleable, meaning pwede tayong magbenta ng mga excess power nating na napoproduce coming from the PV system. It is also increase property values. Sinasabi ng iba na kung, say for example, ibebenta mo yung iyong property, yung bahay mo, at merong naka-install na PV system, mas tumataas yung kanyang property value. Low maintenance, kasi wala siyang masyadong moving parts. So, meaning, there is a less wear and tear sa ating mga components, no? So, it requires only periodic cleaning and basic inspection. So, kaya tinawag nating low maintenance. Then, long lifespan, ano? So, yung mga solar panel natin, as per manufacturer, meron silang warranty. Siguro minimum 20 to 25 years ang binibigay nilang warranty para sa mga solar panels natin. So pag-usapan naman natin yung mga disadvantages, no, ng PV system. Of course, kung merong advantages, meron ding disadvantages ang PV system. So una, there is a high capital cost. So yung installation cost natin, ano, yung mga solar panels, yung mga inverters natin, batteries, siyempre medyo mataas-taas ang presyo niyan. Then yung mga wirings and yung mga iba pang balance of system, no? So yung mga fixtures natin, no? Then, we have also intermittent energy source. Siyempre, ang power generation decreases during cloudy, no? Kung maulap siya at maulan, so the sun doesn't shine at night, and so solar panels don't generate power at night. So, lalo na kung gabi, no? Maulap, maulan sa gabi, hindi maganda ang performance ng ating PV system. So, there is a intermittent energy source. So, it requires space, of course. It requires sufficient roof. O kung hindi kasi sa iyong roof, kailangan mo ng medyo malaki-laking land area, no? So, this is not ideal for shaded location, of course. Dapat yung bubong mo o yung iyong free space na land ay nasisikatan ng araw. So, efficiency limitations, no? So, typical solar panels convert only 15 to 22% of sunlight into electricity, no? Kasi hindi niya, yung isang solar panel, hindi naman niya 100% na convert yun sa electricity. So, may mga losses. So, limited yung ating efficiency for now. So, performance degrades slightly over time also. So, habang tumatanda, bumababa din yung ating efficiency ng ating conversion ng electricity. So, selling price is lower, no? So, if you're going to sell the excess power na na-harvest natin back to the grid at ibebenta natin yung ating mga excess power na na-produce, then medyo mababa compare dun sa ating binibili na per kilowatt hour. So, pag binenta mo naman sa iyong distribution utility or sa iyong DO, medyo mababa, almost 50% na yung presyo. Okay, so the selling price is lower. So, yun ang mga disadvantages natin, ano? So, we have different types also of PV systems. We have what we call the PV direct. We have also the off-grid or what we call the standalone PV system. We have also on-grid. So, another term for on-grid is grid tie. So, parehas lang yon. Then we have also the hybrid PV system. So, itong mga different types of PV system, i-discuss natin sa mga darating pang lesson, no? So, ilalagay ko sa baba yung link ng discussion para dito sa types of PV system. So, that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment, at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!